Hello children, good morning. Children, this is your Harpreet ma'am. And today children, we have to do the textbook activity. Okay? Okay. So children, yesterday we have done, हमने क्या किया था? हमने रीडिंग की थी, वाटरिंग राइम इस पोएम की एंड एक टेक्स्ट बुक की एक्टिविटी की थी. सो अगेन हम एक बार रीडिंग करेंगे चिल्ड्रन, वाटरिंग राइम. सो ओके, हियर वी गो. So, a watering rhyme. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Now on next page. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. Thirsty means प्यासी. फीट्स मीन्स जो हमारी एड़ियाँ होती है ना, उसे फीट्स कहते हैं. हमारे पैरों को फीट्स कहते हैं. ऐसे ही जो प्लांट्स हैं उनके फीट्स को यहाँ पे बोला गया है. चिल्ड्रन, प्लांट्स का माउथ कहाँ पे होता है? प्लांट्स का माउथ होता है जहाँ पे हमारे फीट होते हैं, मतलब जहाँ पे हमारे बूट्स होते हैं वहाँ पे प्लांट्स का माउथ होता है. तो हमें पानी कहाँ देना चाहिए? वेयर शुड वी वाटर? वी शुड वाटर टू द roots. Okay children, this poem watering rhyme you have to write in your notebook. आपको कहाँ लिखनी है? आपको आपकी नोटबुक में ये पोएम लिखनी है. Okay, now turn the page. We have done this activity, right? Yesterday we have done this activity. We have done the names of flowers, jumble words. Yes, first is sweet pea, marigold, jasmine, lotus, mogra, dahlia, phlox, pansy, hibiscus. These all are flowers. And this activity children I have given to you. Here what you have to do, here you have to find out the hidden words. Okay, this I have given you the homework. Now I am doing in front of you. Okay, see here where are the words. Okay, we will see now. See here, one I got branches. Okay, now next branches I got. So how many I got? I will tick here. 1, 2, yes, these 3 I got. Now I am finding next word. Where is thorns? Thorns. Okay, we'll see where is thorns. See here, I got thorns. 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 Okay, now next word, roots. Where are roots? Roots कहाँ है? See here, roots. I got roots also. Then next word is roots also done. Then stem. Where is stem? S. Stem, stem, stem. Yes, see here, this is stem. Like this way it is given. Stem. Then next word is leaf. Where is leaf? Leaf. See here. In this corner it is hidden. Leaf. Then next, flowers. Where are flowers? We'll search here. Where are flowers? F. Here's F. Yes, see here. This is flowers. See, I got all the words. Okay, like this way you have to also do. I hope you all have done. Right? Now we'll turn the page. Now children, this is the activity you have to do by yourself. Do you have a garden at home? If you have a garden, you can write here yes. Name some flowers which grow in your garden or near your house. Children, for this you have to write the names of flowers like this way. I have written the names. Here you have to also write the names of flowers. Give another word for the thirsty feet. Thirsty feet के लिए आपको कोई अलग word देना है. Okay? So this activity you have to do. Hello children. See, this is the picture or image of the flower pansy. You have pansy in your book. Yes, see, this is the picture of pansy flower. Yes children, this is the picture of marigold. Marigold आपने देखा है ना, गेंदे के फूल. These are marigold. Yes children, this is the picture of dahlia. Dahlia flower. This, it looks like this. Okay, see, these are the pictures of dahlias. डालिया जो फ्लावर होता है वो इस तरह का दिखता है. इज इट वेरी नाइस? यस, दिस इज द पिक्चर इमेज ऑफ हिबिस्कस. हिबिस्कस जो फ्लावर होता है चिल्ड्रन, इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. दिस इज हिबिस्कस फ्लावर. ओके, सी डाउन नेम इज ऑल्सो रिटन. yes, now you can see this is mogra. Okay, mogra, image of mogra flower. It looks like this. Okay, so many in so many house mogras are. Yes children, you can see these are lotus flower. लोटस फ्लावर कहाँ होते हैं? ये छोटे लेक में या पॉन्ड में होते हैं ये लोटस फ्लावर्स. ओके, इट लुक्स लाइक दिस. दिस इज लोटस. And you know we have our national flower is also lotus flower. See children, this is jasmine flower. See now name is also written. Jasmine is nothing but like a mogra. Mogra have so many petals but jasmine have little petals. देखो जो उनके flower हैं उनमें पत्तियाँ थोड़ी सी कम है. And smells are also different. Jasmine की smell जो होती है different होती है than mogra. And children, this is rose. As you know, rose, so many varieties of rose is there. Okay, so this activity you have to do in your book. I have shown you so many different kinds of flowers. All the flowers which we have in our book I have shown you. Okay children.